book, Junie B. Jones is a Party Animal, written by Barbara Parks, illustrated by Denise Brogan. Now we're going to act out our favorite scene from the book, Junie B. Jones is a Party Animal.
Hi, I'm the Nana.
Hi, I'm Junie B. Jones.
Hi, I'm Lucille.
And hi, I'm Grace. Lucille, this is the best sleepover ever.
I know, right?
Thank you for inviting me.
All right, girls, Junie B, Grace, Lucille, you need to get in your bed. It's time to go to sleep.
Yes,
I want you in your bed. It is late and Nana is tired. Now, girls, I do not want to peek out of you again. Do you understand?
Yes, Nana.
Not a peep.
Yes, Nana. Nana said not another peep. Peep, 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 peep.
Silence. Not another peep.
Yes, Nana.
No more peeps.
Yes.
Turning the lights off.